Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Kinetiq Staked HYPE token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Kinetiq Staked HYPE is the native liquidity staking solution for HYPE, created from the bottom up to be an essential decentralized financial building block on Hyperliquid. KHYPE utilizes several primitives that establishes it as the go-to liquidity staked HYPE, firstly staked in delegated and rebalanced autonomously using an on-chain validator scoring mechanism called stake hub. This ensures the user stake in delegated to the best performing validator at any point in the time. Additionally, KHYPE utilizes core writer system contract to stake and rebalance the hypercore directly, removing all trust assumptions and dependencies. KHYPE token total supply is 21.31 million and circulating supply is also 21.31 million KHYPE token. KHYPE token is listed on Hyperliquid, Hyperswap and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 65% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.